Hey guys, this is Kevin with Heartland Honda, and this is a 2006 Honda VTX1300S. Now this is a heavily customized bike, and it's really unique. It's got white walls in the front. It has a completely matte finish front to back. It is just very cool. It's a little different. It has 21,000 miles, so it's definitely moderately into its engine life, but it's still got plenty of life. It has a set of Vance and Hines already plugged in there, so it sounds great, and we'll get to that in just a minute. I'm going to come to the side here, and we'll start her up. Now, bear in mind the VTX 1300 was carbureted, so it is a little cold-natured, and it will lope to life here. Got to pull the choke out on her. But she will start loping to life, and she sounds beautiful. It's just absolutely beautiful, guys. Man, check that out. Let's give her some gas. Listen to her. Oh, she sounds great. Guys, come in, check it out, take it for a test ride here at Heartland Honda. Remember, Heartland Honda is Arkansas's first Level 5 powerhouse dealership. We're also a premier dealership, which means we provide excellence in customer sales and services. Speaking of service, we have 2 red level techs on staff. All Hondas are treated equally, but it's the dealership that makes the difference.
Work hard, play hard, Heartland